Hey there everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly unique and special, clay houses in Bangladesh. In a world of concrete jungles, these clay houses represent a return to nature, sustainability, and tradition. Let's take a look at why these homes are becoming more popular and how they connect to the culture, environment, and lifestyle of Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, clay houses are more than just a form of shelter. They're part of the country's rich history and culture. For centuries, clay has been a primary building material in rural areas. These homes are not only affordable but also energy efficient, eco-friendly, and a true testament to the creativity and craftsmanship of local builders. The process begins with natural clay, which is mixed with other materials like straw and water. These materials are then molded into bricks or slabs and dried in the sun, creating a sturdy yet lightweight structure. The traditional methods haven't changed much over the years, and they continue to be passed down through generations. Now you might be wondering, why clay? What makes these houses so special? Well, there are several benefits. First, the natural insulation properties of clay make these homes cool in the scorching summer heat and warm during the chilly winters. The thick clay walls maintain a comfortable temperature, reducing the need for electricity or air conditioning. Another huge benefit is sustainability. The materials used for construction are natural, biodegradable, and readily available, making these homes incredibly eco-friendly. Unlike concrete or brick, clay doesn't require high energy inputs during production, which means fewer carbon emissions and a lighter environmental footprint. One of the most charming things about clay houses is their aesthetic appeal. Many clay homes are beautifully decorated with intricate designs. The exteriors and interiors often feature traditional motifs, handmade pottery, and even murals painted by local artisans. These designs aren't just for decoration, they hold cultural significance, representing the community's heritage and beliefs. Every clay house tells a story. The artwork you see is passed down from generation to generation, and it's unique to each region in Bangladesh. The craftsmanship and creativity that go into these homes are truly inspiring. Another great advantage of clay houses is their harmony with nature. These homes blend seamlessly into the environment, often surrounded by farms, trees, and rivers. By using local materials, these homes don't disrupt the local ecosystem, and the buildings naturally blend with the landscape. Additionally, clay houses are far more sustainable than modern, industrialized homes. They require far less energy to construct and maintain, and they don't produce the same level of waste or pollution as conventional housing materials like concrete and steel.